So quickly looking at the next surgical procedure, which is done in the pelvis and perineum. This is what is known as what? Hysterectomy. Hysterectomy, So hysterectomy just simply means what? Surgical removal of the uterus, So if you are coming here, this is the uterus, This is the cervix around this place. This is the vagina down. Alright. So in some cases, additional reproductive organs such as cervix, alright, ovaries and fallopian tubes can also be removed. That's when we get to look at the different types of hysterectomy we have. So different types: partial, where you are removing only the uterus; total, you are removing what? The uterus down to the cervix; radical, you are removing from the cervix up to the fallopian tubes. Everything is what? Pushed out. Okay, so what we got here is this. So after hysterectomy, a person can no longer become pregnant. This is because you don't have uterus for the embryo to implant. There's no there's no menstrual periods. All right. So for the types, you have the total one, where you remove the uterus and the cervix. We have the supracervical one, which is just the upper part of the uterus only. We have the total hysterectomy by lateral salpingo-oophorectomy. That one, you remove the uterus, remove the cervix, remove the ovaries, remove the fallopian tube. Then we have the radical hysterectomy, where you remove the uterus, the cervix, part of the vagina. So common reasons for hysterectomy, why do we want to now do this type of surgery, is if the person has uterine fibroids, okay, if there's endometriosis, if there's uterine or cervical ovarian cancer, there's chronic alright, so chronic pelvic pain, abnormal vaginal bleedings, uterine prolapse, gender affirming surgery. They just want to confirm somebody's gender. So these are all the surgical procedures. The open one, they are opening the whole abdomen. Laparoscopy, they are just making some tiny holes. So it's through those holes they will now put some long things to do the surgery. The vaginal hysterectomy, this one they remove that one is removed through the vaginal canal. Alright, robot assisted types. Okay, so this is just what the concept of hysterectomy simply means.